Assalamualaikum. In this video, we want to present our mini project with the title Agriculture Machinery Inventory Management System RISE. First and foremost, we would like to thank our lecturer, Madam Johara Ghazali, for guiding and teaching us throughout to complete our mini project. Without further ado, we will begin the presentation. My name is Muhammad Aiman Nazmi bin Abdul Halim. I will be presenting with Haziq Hafizin bin Shahrul Suhaimi. So introduction for our mini project is rice being a staple food for a significant portion of the global population requires efficient management and monitoring throughout the cultivation process. The advance of digital system and software application tailored for agriculture plantation inventory management has revolutionized the way rice farmers and agribusiness handle their operation. By implementing a technology-driven inventory management system, rice farmers can automate various tasks, including data collection, crop monitoring, and yield estimation. Furthermore, advanced data analytic techniques enable farmers to analyze historical and real-time data, providing valuable insight into crop performance, yield forecasting, and quality control. Next. Welcome to our company. Our company name is Dr. Rice Sendirian Berhad. So discover the epitome of flavor and quality with our premium rice collection. At Dr. Rice, we take pride in delivering the finest rice grains, carefully selected from the best field around the world. From the exquisite fragrance of basmati to the delightful thickness of sushi rice, each grain shows our commitment to excellence. Join us on a remarkable journey to savor the perfection of rice and experience the difference that quality makes. So this is our business information. At the left side, we can see a company profile, and the right side, you can see the business card. So our service is marketing, branding, consultation, and delivery. Why to choose us? Because from the exquisite fragrance of basmati to the delightful thickness of sushi rice, each grains show our commitment to excellence. So this is our budget information. So we can see from the budget information that income, expenses, and recap. Next we go to system flowchart. So we can see the system flowchart, which is start with login display, and then my menu display. So from the my menu display, we have 5 choices, which is marketing page, inventory, sales menu, checkout, and easy. So in the marketing page, it will display the marketing page, and inventory, it will display the item, price, and quantity. In sales menu, it will display add to cart, remove from cart, view cart, return to my menu. So customer can choose to add to cart or remove from cart. Okay, and then customer can check out. So when customer check out, it will display sales invoice, buy invoice, and delivery invoice. And then back to my menu, and then customer will exit the program. Next, we go to program chart. We can see the program flows, which is start with start. And then we must enter the correct username and password. So when the customer use a use a correct username and password, the program will go to the display my menu. So the customer can see in the display menu have 5 choice, which is marketing page, inventory, sales menu, checkout, and exit. So the program, when we choose marketing page, it will display the marketing page. And then when we choose inventory, it will display the quantity, it will display the our rice, so customer can choose the type of the rice. And then when customer have choose what they want, so they can add to cart or remove from cart. And then after customers agree with their decision, so the program will go to the view cart, and then customer can see their order in the view cart. So after that, the program will go to the return to my menu, and then choose a checkout. So we can see at the checkout what we want to buy and what we have, what we choose, what type of rice we choose, and then when we agree, so it will display the sales invoice, buy invoice, and display invoice. And then when you have agree, so the program will back to my menu and we can exit from the main menu. Next, I would like to pass our presentation to my friend. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haziq Zoimi. Thank you for the smooth presentation from my friend. And then, okay, I will start with the source code. As we can see, the source code of this screen capture display the define display welcome page and login. So in this area, I we chose to add emojis. So that's why we put start emoji and end emoji. And then login. As we can see, we use the still use the emoji character and in Unicode underscore value. Okay. And then we will print out the enter your username and password. So here is our username. Our username is B, and then the password is 2. So we need to enter the correct username and password to be able to enter the program, enter the system. So after we enter the correct username and password, the system will show welcome to Dr. Rice app. Or if we enter the incorrect username or password, it will show invalid username or password. Please try again. So next is the inventory. We need to put the inventory here. This is the ID number, the name of the item, the price, and then the quantity. So next we will start with the card display marketing page. So if you choose the display marketing page option, the system will show the Rice Sendirian Berhad marketing page and a few sentences. And then if we choose the display inventory, the system will display inventory. So this is how the inventory will look like. Um, and then we'll continue with add to cart because this is the buying system. So we need the add to cart, add to cart item. So here is the coding or programming. Uh, in this area, you need to enter the correct ID item and the correct quantity. Meaning that if you type the quantity above in the inventory, which is our inventory is at 1000. If we type the quantity 1001, the system will print insufficient quantity in inventory. Or if we type the invalid item ID, in this case, our item ID is from 01 to 110 to 10. If we type outside from that area, then it will type invalid item ID. And then if we can add to cart, then we also can remove from the cart. So here's the coding. Still the same. If we type the invalid item ID or different quantity, it will print this insufficient quantity in cart and invalid item ID. Next, view cart. So here's how the system will display the view cart. We got the ID, item, price in ringgit Malaysia per kilogram, quantity in kilogram, and total. Total of the price. So here you can see, and then we will get the generate invoice after we check out. As you can see from that time, import that time. So the invoice will have the real life time print in the invoice. So this is how the invoice will look like, and I will show you in much more detail in the program. And then this is generate sales invoice, generate delivery note, and checkout. So here is the receipt for the item that the buyers will bought, and then it will show the seller's information, company names, email, and phone numbers. And then buyers need to put the name of his or her and their company, email, and phone number. And then it will show the generate order invoice, and then the system will clear the cart. So this is the show menu or main menu. So the display will print out menu, and then option 1 display marketing page, option 2 display inventory, option 3 sales menu, 4 checkout, 5 exit. So choice input, enter your choice 1 until 5. So we use if, else if in this coding. And lastly, we use else if the user type the wrong number, which is not in between 1 or 5. So it will print out the invalid choice. Please try again. And then the sales menu, which is on the choices number 3. So this is how it will print out inventory, card, choice, a view card, and number 4, which is the exit. And then last but not least, the run system. So it will display the welcome page, and then login display welcome page again. So code for today is quality rice for a quality life from our newest member Muhammad Naruto. Oni. which is the apps for software for Python. So here is the same as the source code. So okay. So without wasting much time, I'll start to run the program. So as you can see, this is our display welcome page. And like I said, the username and the password need to be correct, which is the username is B and the password is 2. And if you enter it correctly, it will uh, it will let you into the system. And if you enter either one is incorrect, by example, I enter the C for username and then 2. So the system will print out invalid username or password. Please try again. So you need to have the username and password to be able to enter. So this is the main menu. You got 5 choices: display marketing page, display inventory, sales menu, checkout, and exit. So we will go through one by one. The first choice will be the marketing page. So the system will display the marketing page of our business. And then after that, we choose 2. So this is how our inventory will look like. So the inventory, and then the ID, item, price, ringgit per kilogram, and quantity in kilogram. So also we can see the ID for the item is different for each and every one of them. For example, 01 for white rice, 06 for sushi rice, and then the price also varies between them. And then after that, we'll go to the sales menu. So in our sales menu, we'll have 4 different choices, which is 1, add to cart, remove from cart, view cart, and return to main menu. So we'll start with add to cart. So here is how the system will look. And then we will add something to our cart. For example, I will add white rice because I like white rice. So we will add about 500 kilogram. And then we will add another black rice 03 and for another 300. So also as you can see, the quantity for the white rice is decreased because we type 500 of white rice in at the above. So press enter and then add another one, which is the sushi rice 06, and I will buy about 300. So after that, we can also remove from the cart. We just need to press to enter 2, and then we can see our cart and what items that we have add to our cart. So it will show the ID, the item, the price per kilogram, the how many kilogram, and the total. Bear in mind that the total is calculate like this. 6 multiplied by 500 equal to 3000, and then this total will add with the multiplication of this, like 20 multiplied by 300 equals to 6000, and then plus 3000, 9000, and then add with this multiplication, and we got the 12,600. So for to remove the item, you just need to add the ID. For example, I will remove sushi rice for about 150. So the system has shown that the item that we chose, which is sushi rice, has been removed from the cart. And then we can also view the card. So here how it looks. This is the total for every each ID, and then the total of everything is print out at here. And then after that, we can check out. To check out, we need to return to the main menu first, and then press 4 again to check out. So before we check out, we will need to enter the name, and the receipt will be shown here to make sure that the item that the user bought is correct. Then enter the buyer's name. I will enter mine. Company name, Dr. Rice. Email address. Rice. Dr. Rice. Something at gmail.com. Phone number 09. Then after that, the system will show order invoice, sales invoice, and delivery note at the same time. So the system also shown the receipt with the entered name, company name, email address, and phone number. And then in order invoice, it will show the date and the time of purchasing, which is as you can see, it is at 3:59 a.m. in the morning. And then we also will show the buyer information and seller information. Alright, same as the sales invoice and delivery note. So that's the end for the program. And then we can check out. We can exit the program by enter 5. And it will bring back the user to the welcome page. So that's all from me. Thank you. And then we go back to our slide. Conclusion. So in conclusion, the agriculture rice inventory management system developed in Python is a valuable tool for farmers and agricultural organizations to efficiently track and manage their rice inventory. The system provides a user-friendly interface for inputting and accessing data related to rice production, storage, and distribution. By utilizing Python, the system offers various features to enhance inventory management. These features may include the Python-based system can be integrated with other existing agriculture management system or software, such as financial system or supply chain management tools. So this is our company contact. So you can contact us at this phone number, email address, and our website. And yes, that's the end for my presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.